There's a bottle sitting under almost every kitchen sink in America right now that kills bugs better than half the sprays you're buying at the store. It's not a secret pesticide. It's not expensive. It's Dawn dish soap. And today I'm showing you 10 different ways to use it to wipe out ants, aphids, fleas, gnats, and even wasps for pennies per batch, with zero harsh chemicals in your home. Stick around, because method number 7 is the one most people get wrong, and it's the reason their soap spray never actually works. Dawn works because of one simple reason. Soap breaks down the outer waxy coating that protects soft-bodied insects. Without that coating, they dehydrate and die. It's not poison, it's physics. And that's exactly why it's safe enough to use around kids, pets, and food gardens when you use it correctly. Let's get into the 10 methods, starting with the most requested one, ant spray. Mix 2 tablespoons of Dawn with 2 cups of water in a spray bottle. Shake gently, you don't want a ton of foam. Spray directly on ant trails, entry points, and any ants you see. The soap cuts through their exoskeleton on contact, and it also breaks down the pheromone trail they leave behind, so new ants stop following the same path into your house. For an extra boost, add a few drops of peppermint essential oil. Ants hate the smell, and it masks any leftover scent trail even further. 2. Aphid and Garden Pest Spray. This is the one gardeners swear by. Mix 1 teaspoon of Dawn with 1 quart of water. That's it. Keep the ratio light for plants. Spray directly on the leaves, especially the undersides where aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies like to hide. The soap coats their bodies and suffocates them within hours. One important tip, always test on one leaf first and wait 24 hours. Some plants, like ferns or plants with fuzzy leaves, can be sensitive to soap sprays. 3. Flea Bath for pets. Dawn dish soap can help kill adult fleas by breaking down the waxy coating on their exoskeletons, causing them to dehydrate. For pets, wet the coat thoroughly with lukewarm water. Work a small amount of Dawn into a rich lather while avoiding the eyes, ears, nose, and mouth. Then leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing well. Follow up with a flea comb to remove dead fleas and flea dirt. Keep in mind that Dawn does not kill flea eggs or larvae, so it isn't a complete flea treatment. To fully eliminate an infestation, wash pet bedding in hot water, vacuum carpets, and upholstery frequently, and consider using a veterinarian-recommended flea prevention product to break the flea life cycle. 4. Fruit fly trap. A simple way to help reduce fruit flies is by making an easy trap with Dawn dish soap and apple cider vinegar. Pour about half a cup of apple cider vinegar into a small bowl or jar, then add 2 to 3 drops of Dawn dish soap and gently mix. The vinegar attracts the fruit flies, while the dish soap breaks the liquid's surface tension, causing the flies to sink instead of landing safely. Place the trap near fruit bowls, sinks, compost bins, or anywhere you've noticed fruit fly activity. For the best results, combine this with removing overripe fruit, cleaning spills, and emptying food waste regularly to eliminate the flies' breeding sources. 5. Wasp and Yellow Jacket Spray. To make an effective DIY contact wasp killer, mix 2 to 3 tablespoons of Dawn dish soap into a spray bottle filled with 2 cups of warm water. Shake or swirl the bottle gently to completely dissolve the soap without producing too much foam. When you encounter a wasp, spray it directly with the mixture. The soap breaks down the protective, water-shedding coating on the wasp's exoskeleton, weighs down its wings to prevent flight, and clogs its breathing pores to cause rapid suffocation. For treating active nests, it is safest to spray them thoroughly at dawn or dusk when the wasps are sluggish and inside, always wearing protective clothing and maintaining a safe distance to avoid stings. 6. Mosquito Larvae Control. If you have standing water, a bird bath, a bucket, a gutter puddle, mosquito larvae are likely breeding there. Add just a few drops of Dawn to the water. It breaks the surface tension larvae need to breathe at the surface, and they drown within a day. This is a great trick for water features you can't fully drain. 7. The mistake most people make. Here's the one everyone messes up. People make their spray too strong, thinking more soap, more kill power. Too much Dawn actually burns plant leaves and strips the natural protective layer off, doing more damage than the pests would. The sweet spot is 1 to 2 teaspoons per liter of water for anything going on living plants. Use this ratio for mealybugs, thrips, and even light powdery mildew. Spray in the early morning or evening, never in direct sun, since sunlight plus soap residue can scorch leaves. 8. Roach Killer Spray. To create a highly effective DIY contact cockroach killer, mix 2 tablespoons of Dawn dish soap with 1 cup of warm water inside a standard spray bottle. Swirl the bottle gently to blend the solution without creating excessive foam. When you spot a cockroach, spray them directly with the mixture. The surfactants in the Dawn dish soap immediately break down the waxy protective layer of the cockroach's exoskeleton and clog their spiracles, the tiny breathing pores along their bodies, causing them to quickly suffocate and die, usually within a minute. While this natural, non-toxic hack is excellent for eliminating individual pests on site, it will not eradicate a hidden nest, meaning you should pair it with bait traps for full infestation control. 9. Drain Fly and Gnat Trap. For drain flies and fungus gnats hovering near sinks or houseplants, mix a few drops of Dawn into a small dish of water and set it near the soil or drain. Gnats are drawn to moisture, land on the surface, and sink immediately. Same surface tension trick as the fruit fly trap, just repositioned for houseplants and bathroom drains. While water and soap alone work great for drain flies seeking moisture, you can make this trap even more effective for different pests with a few quick tweaks. For fruit flies, add a splash of apple cider vinegar or red wine to the dish. Fruit flies are drawn to fermenting sugars, not just moisture, so the scent acts as an irresistible bait. For fungus gnats, place the dish directly on top of the houseplant soil. To boost its effectiveness, add a piece of ripe banana or a splash of beer next to or in the mixture to lure them down from the leaves. 10. Multi-Surface Pest Barrier Spray. Mix 1 tablespoon Dawn, 1 cup water, and 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. The oil helps the mixture stick to surfaces longer, creating a light barrier film. Spray along windowsills, door thresholds, and baseboards. It won't repel pests forever, but it creates a hostile contact surface that kills on touch for several days. Especially useful during ant or gnat season. And that's 10 ways a $2 bottle of Dawn can replace half your pest control cabinet. If this saves you a trip to the store, hit that like button and subscribe for more natural, budget-friendly home hacks every week. Drop a comment and let me know which one of these you're trying first. I read every single one. See you in the next video on 10 genius ways hydrogen peroxide stops pests fast.